Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to lock your profile on Facebook on PC. What you need to do. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Okay, how to lock your profile on Facebook on PC. When you are on Facebook, just be sure that you log into your account. After that, click on your profile icon and then click on your name. After that, click on the three dots and then you see here lock profile. Just click on it. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to lock your profile on Facebook on PC. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.